Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is how to read the PDF file by using the Python, where I am using the library PyPDF4. First, you install this library. I have already installed, so it show the requirement already satisfaction. Okay. Next, import the library. I am using P capital, Y small, then other also the capital letter 4 is numeric. So it's working. Before we are using the PDF2, but it not working that time. That time it working PDF4. That's why I'm using the PDF4. And next is the this is the object where is it open. This is using the because I want to open this, and this is the path of the PDF where I am using the RB means read binary mode, so we use the RB. So it's working. Next, we store the PDF. So this is the object. I have take the PDF reader and then pass the PDF4 dot PDF5 reader, where I pass the argument F. This is the variable name. So these all are the inbuilt function. So my PDF5 is stored in PDF reader. Next, I want to see that how much pages are there in my PDF file. So there is the 3 pages are there in PDF file. First, that taken the variable or object, then pass the PDF dot get page. Then get page where I pass the argument 0, because 0, you know that Python index always start with 0, 1, 2, 3. So it show the 0 means first page. It show the first page. First it read the page. It's working. Next, page text is equal to page dot extract, because I want to extract 3 pages. I want to first page to extract, and then I print the object. So this is the first page. This is the first page. It extract the first page. So this is the output of the first page. I will show you that this output is match for the or PDF or not, because I am using my resume. This is my resume. So you can see the first page is Sunita Bakshi, data science and analyst, then technical IT, all these, and where the output is also Sunita Bakshi, then data science and analyst. All these are the same thing. It fetch. Okay. Page. Same thing I am using. Now take the objective page 1. This is the variable name. You can take anything, and where I pass the pd dot reader dot get page 1, because 0 that time it show the page number 2, because there is there is 3 pages. So it show the first page in 0 index, and then second page in 1 index. So it's working now. It extract the page. This is the second page. This is the second page. Same thing, I pass the page. Sorry, there I am. Take the page number, page 2. This is the object where I same pass the page 2. that time it showed the page 3. Okay, so it's working. Now it extract the page third. So this is the third page. So you know how we can extract any number of pages by using the PY PyPDF4. Hope you like it. Thank you.